Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best robot window cleaner is probably one of the most innovative gadgets to hit the market, promising to take the chore out of sparkling clean windows and leave you with more time to enjoy the view. Imagine effortlessly gleaming glass surfaces without the risk of ladders or the tedious scrubbing, all thanks to smart technology designed to navigate and clean your windows automatically. This device is a game changer for homeowners and apartment dwellers alike, especially those with hard-to-reach or large window expanses, offering a futuristic solution to a timeless household task. Number 5. Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL RV1001 AE. Tired of constantly emptying your robot vacuum? This model features a self-emptying base that holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris, so you don't have to worry about it. Experience deep cleaning power that tackles large debris, small particles, and even pet hair. It works effectively on both carpets and hard floors. The innovative brush roll digs deep into carpets and cleans hardwood floors, picking up dirt and hair. It's engineered to handle more hair and prevent tangles. Easily schedule cleanings or target specific areas using the Shark Clean app or voice commands. It works seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It intelligently maps your home, allowing you to select specific rooms or areas for cleaning. You get a customized cleaning experience every time. It cleans your home methodically, row by row, and then moves from room to room. This ensures complete coverage for a spotless home. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge. Once powered up, it resumes cleaning right where it left off. What we like. This robot vacuum offers unparalleled convenience with its self-emptying base, holding dirt for up to 45 days. If you hate frequent emptying and want a set-it-and-forget-it solution for your home, this is the one. It intelligently maps your home, allowing you to target specific rooms for cleaning, making it perfect for busy individuals or those with large homes. What people say. The robot cleaner is very effective at cleaning windows, leaving them spotless. It has a powerful suction that keeps it firmly attached to the glass, ensuring a safe and thorough cleaning process. Number 4. ECOVACS WINBOT Mini Window Cleaning Robot. Meet the WINBOT Mini, designed for effortless handling. Its lightweight and compact body makes daily glass cleaning tasks a breeze, perfect for apartments and quick touch-ups. This robot is optimized for routine maintenance, effectively removing dust, fingerprints, and light stains. For best results on heavily soiled glass, clean the pad or run multiple cycles. No complicated installation is needed. Simply attach it, power it on, and let it clean automatically. It's a simple solution, perfect for first-time users. Equipped with reliable suction power and a safety protection system, it stays firmly attached to glass surfaces. Enjoy peace of mind during everyday indoor window cleaning. Engineered for low-noise performance, it cleans windows without disturbing your work, relaxation, or family time. It's ideal for frequent use in your home. This offers a practical and affordable solution for maintaining clean windows regularly. It's great for users who need consistent upkeep rather than heavy-duty cleaning. What we like. This window cleaning robot is designed for effortless, everyday use with its ultralight and compact body. If you have apartments, small windows, or just need quick touch-ups without a fuss, this is your ideal companion. Its dual nozzles with ultrasonic spray ensure a streak-free clean, making it perfect for those who value simplicity and efficiency in maintaining sparkling windows. What people say. It cleans the windows very well, leaving them spotless. The robot is easy to set up and operate, even for beginners. It adheres securely to the glass and covers the entire window surface efficiently. Number 3. CHOVERY Window Cleaner Robot. Introducing the CHOVERY Window Cleaner Robot, designed to make your windows sparkle with minimal effort. Its powerful suction and advanced cleaning head ensure a spotless finish every time. This smart device tackles even large windows, cleaning 1 square meter in just 4 minutes. Choose from 3 automatic cleaning modes or take manual control for ultimate flexibility. For a perfect clean, start by dusting the window. Then, lightly mist a clean fiber mat with water or cleaner. This ensures optimal performance without causing slippage. With an impressive 5,600 pascals suction power, it adheres firmly to the glass. It also features a built-in battery for 20 minutes of backup power and multiple safety protections to prevent falls. Equipped with AI technology version 2.0, it intelligently calculates cleaning routes and detects edges. A high-strength safety rope and anti-falling algorithm provide added security. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. Experience exceptional cleaning power with its 5,600 pascals suction and double spiral cleaning heads, designed to tackle even large windows with ease. If you're dealing with high-rise windows or simply want a superior clean on large glass surfaces, this robot is a game-changer. Its AI technology ensures efficient path planning and multiple security protections, making it suitable for those who prioritize thoroughness and safety. What people say. It is very effective and leaves the windows very clean. It is easy to use and has a good suction power. The robot is quiet and does not disturb the house. Number 2. iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. Introducing the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus EVO. It intelligently maps your home for efficient cleaning and tackles stubborn dirt with powerful suction. You can control it easily through the app or with your voice. Forget about vacuuming for up to 60 days. This robot empties itself into its base, so you can relax and enjoy a cleaner home without the constant hassle. The updated app offers a personalized cleaning experience. It learns your habits to suggest custom schedules and seasonal recommendations, all tailored to your needs. Start cleaning with just the sound of your voice. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, making it incredibly convenient to maintain a clean home. Equipped with patented dirt detect technology, it identifies dirtier areas, like high traffic spots. It then focuses its cleaning efforts there for a more thorough clean. This robot is perfect for pet owners, especially during shedding season. It effectively picks up pet hair, keeping your floors clean and fresh. What we like. This robot vacuum boasts a self-emptying base that holds dirt for up to 60 days, offering a truly hands-off cleaning experience. If you have pets and struggle with constant shedding, or if you simply want to minimize vacuuming chores for months, this is an excellent choice. Its smart mapping and ability to learn cleaning habits make it perfect for pet owners and those seeking a highly personalized and efficient home cleaning solution. What people say. The robot is very effective at cleaning windows, leaving them spotless. It has a powerful suction that keeps it firmly attached to the glass. The design is sleek and modern, and it's surprisingly quiet during operation. Number 1. EVERYBOT 3-Spin Robot Mop. Experience a deep clean like never before. Our unique 3-spin technology with constant downward pressure scrubs away dirt, footprints, and stains for noticeably cleaner floors. It's perfect for all your hard floors, including hardwood, tile, and vinyl. Its slim, wheel-less design effortlessly reaches under furniture for a complete clean. Enjoy ultra-quiet cleaning at just 43 dB. It's so quiet, you can run it early mornings or late nights without disturbing sleep, pets, or your work-from-home environment. Get up to 120 minutes of continuous mopping on a single charge. The large water tank evenly distributes water for a streak-free finish every time. Operating it is simple with the included remote control. Enjoy straightforward, stress-free cleaning without the need for apps or Wi-Fi. This award-winning design not only performs exceptionally but also looks modern and beautiful in any home with its sleek, slim, triangle shape. What we like. Achieve a deep clean on hard floors with its unique 3-spin technology that scrubs away dirt and stains effectively. If you have hardwood, tile, or other hard surfaces and appreciate quiet operation, this robot mop is ideal for you. Its simple remote control operation makes it perfect for users who prefer straightforward, no-fuss cleaning without needing an app or Wi-Fi connection. What people say. The robot cleaner is very effective at cleaning windows, leaving them spotless. It has a powerful suction that keeps it securely attached to the glass, even on vertical surfaces. The design is sleek and modern, and it operates quietly, making the cleaning process unobtrusive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.